Hello everyone, this is the Case Breakers. Tonight we're coming at you with a one-box break of 2012 Panini Black Football. Very nice product. Second box that we're doing. First box yielded a Brock Osweiller 3-color patch autograph numbered to 25. So here's hoping for some luck. Griffin, Russell Wilson, Dougie Martin, T. Rich. There's a whole bunch of names in here that we're hoping for. Guys, don't forget to check us out, www.thecasebreakers.com. Follow us on Twitter at thecasebreakers. And we have a redemption. I see a redemption already. And for you guys watching, there is a lot of white showing on the corners on the cards. You can see it right here on the first card. So when you get them in the mail, it wasn't from us. It was strictly right from the pack. First card, Santonio Holmes. And that's going to be numbered 28 of 349, going to the New York Jets, KCC. Second card, Arian Foster, and that is numbered 219 of 349, and that is going to the Houston Texans, Kyle G. Here we have a Isaac Redman, and that is numbered 36 of 49. 36 of 49. And that is going to the Pittsburgh Steelers, KCC. A very nice hit for you, Casey. And here we have a Brian Urlacher captain's card going to the Chicago Bears, the Bears, Jeff L. And that is going to be numbered 64 of 349. And here's a nice Dan Marino honors card going to the Miami Dolphins. That's going to Greg B. Very nice hit for you, Greg. Let's see what that card's number 2. You got to be kidding me, guys. You're not going to believe what the next card is. Wow. And that's number 302 of 349, Greg. Wow. This is, it's crazy. Does this look familiar? Does this look familiar, guys? Wow. Well, this one's not numbered. It's a prime card, but it's not numbered to 25. It's 65 of 349. Going to the Denver Broncos, Jeff L. Congratulations, buddy. Very nice hit for you. Wow. And, hey, we have an eBay 1-of-1 here. 99 of 99. And this is going to the Philadelphia Eagles, Brent M. with the Marvin McNutt autograph. And let's take the back card since we know this is not autographed. For the Houston Texans, Jared Crick. That's a nice hit for Kyle G. And Kyle, it's 248 of 349. Tampa Bay Buccaneers, unfortunately, the wrong one. Levante David, number 20 of 49. And that's going to KCC. A nice Levante David autograph. Short printed to only 49. And here for the Arizona Cardinals, a Ryan Lindley rookie. And that's going to Brent M. Number 16 of 349. And the last card in the pack. And that's a nice one. A.J. Jenkins, 2-color rookie patch for the San Francisco 49ers, Brent M. And that's going to be a short printed one at number 15 of 49. Very nice hit for you, Brent. Just missed the jersey number again. And here's our redemption. It's an Onyx Rookie Material Signatures, Joe Adams. And that's going to the Carolina Panthers, Matt H. Very nice hit for you with the Panthers, Matt. Guys, thanks for joining us. Don't forget, check us out, www.thecasebreakers.com. Follow us on Twitter at TheCaseBreakers.